Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with a hairstyle on my mannequin. This is our hairstyle for our protagonist of the next ballet show. So for this style, split the hair in the middle of the head into two sections. For the time being, I just bring the left hand side out of the way, then comb everything through and make a high ponytail on the right side. Try to smooth everything out and then have a hair tie prepared at your wrist and make the high ponytail. Same thing on the other side. So left hand side is combed through, and these ponytail should be high because we're going later for the dancing show to put a crown around. So these are the two ponytails, and we're going to braid them now. Split the hair into 3 equal strands, and we're going to do a regular French braid, so right and then left over, right over the middle, left over the middle, just regular braid. Nothing, no secrets on this one. And then when at the end you see that the strands are not equal, you just take a bit more hair from the other strand. So again, 3 equal strands on the left hand side, bring it over the middle, then right over the middle, left over the middle, and do this until you reach the very end. Then you tie off with a little hair elastic. As you can hide the ends later under the bun style, you don't have to braid until the very end. Just go as far as you're comfortable, and now you're going to wrap it around the bases of the ponytails, and I do that diagonally, then bring the thin end under, and with this little piece I'm hiding actually the hair tie. And then with the second braid I just go around and finish off the crown. Everything is pinned with bobby pins into its place. And then I'm taking the topsy tail tool to hide the end of the second braid right under the left hand side, and I'm pulling it as much to the left hand side so that it looks equal in front of the 2 bases of the ponytails. And then the end you wrap around a bobby pin and just hide it underneath. And this is our finished style. For the pictures I added a little clip. You can add flowers, or like this here, a hair clip from Flexi Clip, whatever you like. Hope you liked our tutorial. Please subscribe and see you back soon. Thank you for watching.